Hello everyone, and welcome as we review the week 1 exploratory exercise, creating a user in Purchase Manager. To get things started, I've logged into my administrator account. I'm going to go to the administrator panel, and here I'm going to select master data. Housed within master data is users. Here you can see I can activate, deactivate, view user profile information, or for today's purposes, create a new user. Now I'm going to go ahead and enter the basic information. Following the instructions, I'm going to enter my first name, period, last name, plus testing@vroozi.com. And I'm going to go ahead and use email as the username as well. Now I'm going to go down and select the role for this user. I can find the employee role housed under Vroozi Purchase. I'm going to select employee. Within employee, there are 3 additional allowances that can be activated for a user. For these purposes, I am not going to select any of those additional allowances. Now I'm going to move down to the approval settings. Once I click into this field, you can see pre-populated approvers that already exist in Purchase Manager appear for me to select from. And now I'm also going to set a spend limit. Same rule applies with content group mapping. I cannot enter a new content group. I can only select from the pre-populated options. For the instructions, I'm looking for PMAN001. Now I'm going to go ahead and select the document defaults for this user. This makes things even more simplified for the user whenever they're creating purchase requests. This information will be populated within that purchase request. They do have some opportunity to make some customizations, but again, this creates an ease of use. I'm going to go ahead and select the shipping address, currency, company code. You can see once I enter the company code, the plant then is connected to that and automatically populates. I'm selecting my cost center. And now when I click into internal orders, there are no automated options for me to choose from. And if I try to type in an option, you can see I'm not able to do that. So I'm going to leave that blank. And I'm going to now save user. You can see the user has been successfully created. Now, once that has happened, that user will receive an email letting them know that they now have an account in Vroozi that requires activation. Once they receive that email, they will follow the prompts to create a password and log in. For the purposes of this exercise, you will use that new account for the week 2, week 3, and week 4 goal of the week exploratory exercises. So now I'm going to go to my email, and I can see I've received that registration confirmation. I'm going to activate my account, and now I'm going to enter my new password twice. It does help if you have the same password for each one. I'm going to go ahead and set password. And I can go ahead and save this information. Because I won't be using this account regularly, I'm not going to do that. But for our users, we would maybe want to encourage them to do so. Now I can go ahead and log in. And ta-da! You've created a user and have successfully activated that user's account. Congratulations to everyone who completed this. Thank you for your participation and look forward to week 2's goal of the week coming soon.